I'm Lauren Jensen with milehimodern. This is 987 Lost Angel Drive in Boulder, Colorado. This home sits on 24 acres and was designed by Idiom Architectures. And the inspiration of the home was the wind and the erosion that wind has on a natural landscape over time. The homeowner really focused on the flooring of the home being such that you could come in from the horse stable outside and come right into the home without having to kick shoes off. She wanted it to be inviting and within the space that this mountain property encompasses. The primary bedroom is incredibly unique. It was designed as an underwater sea cave for the owner. She actually had imported submarine doors for the doors of the shower and the sauna. I feel like people come up to the Sugarloaf mountain to be close to the city, but also to have a tranquil environment that they can raise children in and live in and be peaceful, and this home has that.